Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Last time around in 2017, Goa had 8% candidates who had serious crimes on their head. This time around we have 18%. So if you want to compare 2007, 2012, 2017 and 2022 now, 2007 we had 2% people as candidates who had serious crimes. From 2% it went to 4%, double in 2012. From 4% it went to 8%, again double in 2017. And now we have more than double, from 8% to straight away 18%. Perhaps we have to look at it seriously. The voters should look at it. Since there is something called red alert constituencies. Out of 40, Goa has 12, which is one of the highest numbers in the whole country. Now, what is this red alert constituencies? Let me clarify. Any constituency which has more than 3 people having criminal record, 3 candidates with criminal record, is defined as red alert constituency, which means the election commission representatives, the cops, and everyone has to be on special alert. There are 12 out of 40, which is 30% red alert constituencies. Nowhere in India, including UP or Bihar or such places, having as many as 30%. So, and this has happened for the first time. Last time in 2017, Goa had only 3 constituencies out of 40. So, see, look at the assets which have been shown by this gentleman, Michael Lobo, or his wife. These are assets which are shown, these are sworn affidavits, so there's no scope for this thing. 93 crores each, 92.9 or something. So 93, I'm making it to the round figure, last figure. And they have filed income tax return over the last 5 years, because that's one of those things which is mandatory in the affidavit, which averages at 4.8 crores. Okay? So now you can imagine how many years it would have taken them to amass this. Justifies that is the question which the people should ask themselves rather than we commenting on this. Atanas Mansarat, Babush, and so also his wife. 48 crores. The ITR filed are for, on an average, because the last 5 years they vary. On an average it is 48 lakhs per year, which means close to 100 years on an average it should have taken if the average income was almost identical to accumulate the kind of wealth that they have talked about.